In this video, we're testing out a USB camera ESP32-S3 on the Durian ESP32 board. Check out previous tutorial to test your board and see the full setup guide for the board and library managers. Toggle the switch on. Insert Type-C cable and switch on the board like so. You can get the test code in the description. First, install ESP32-USB_stream library. Next, go to the board manager and search for ESP32. Install version 3.2.0 to ensure there are no errors on uploading the code. Now, go to the Tools menu and match your settings exactly to what you see here. Before flashing, verify your Wi-Fi SSID and password are correct. Uploading time. If you haven't seen it yet, check out tutorial number 1 for the full Durian ESP32 board setup. Now, open the serial monitor and make sure to turn off auto scroll. After pressing the red button, quickly click Clear Output in the Arduino IDE. Now, scroll down manually to find the IP address. You'll find the IP address right below the Wi-Fi connected message. Copy that address. Open your browser. Type in http:// your IP address :80 in the search bar. Hit enter, and you should see your camera's live feed immediately after the loading screen. Here is the final result.